Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to solve the problem lonely integer. Given an array of integers where all elements but one occur twice, find the unique element. So here we have an example. This is the array. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 occurring twice, and only the element 4 is occurring only once. So we have to display this element, so that is our objective. And we are under the topic of bit manipulation, so we are going to use bitwise operations in order to solve this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use XOR operation, that is XOR. So what is the functionality of XOR operation? Now if you consider the XOR operation, it will say if you have same input it will be 0. If you have different input, the result will be 1. So for example, let's say 1 0 means 1 XOR 0, that will be 1. If you say 1 XOR 1 is 0. So this is the functionality of XOR operation. Now similarly, as you can able to see, if you have even number of integers, that is here 1 and 1 is same, right? So it will be automatically goes to 0. So here if it's occurring twice, it will be automatically cancelled out. So only one element that is occurring once. So this can be stored in the result. So we are going to XOR all the elements and print the results. So that's the logic of the problem. Now they have mentioned all the input formats and the return format. Here the constraint is also so small, that is only 100. So the total elements can be 100, and here we have a few inputs. So here 1 1 2, so here 1 occurring twice, so this will be automatically gone to 0, and only 2 is there, so 2 will be printed. And here also you can able to see 0 and 1 occurring twice, and here also 2 will be printed. That's how it works. Now let's solve this problem using this logic. I'm going to initialize a variable called result. So result equals 0. Now I'm going to iterate the numbers from the array. So for num in A, that is the array. Now result XOR equals num. What I'm doing is I'm going to use XOR operation for all the numbers and store in the result variables. Finally we will return the result. So return result. So all the numbers occurring twice will be cancelled out, and only one number that is occurring once will be stored in the result. You can also name it as A XOR A equals 0. A can be any integer. So if both integers are same, it will be automatically goes to 0. Now let's run the code once. As you can able to see, it passed the sample test case. Let's submit the code. Yeah, we have successfully solved the problem. So using this bitwise operation, you can able to solve various problems in a very simpler way. You just have to understand how bit manipulation works, and so this will be very useful in handling different kinds of problems which has like so much logic. Means sometimes it can be solved using bit manipulation with easy logic like this. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video.